What is up, guys? Pink Bob 2. I know this is a crazy way to start the morning. Exactly, that's what I thought. It's morning as well for you guys. Hopefully, you'll be able to experience, but I'm pretty sure it's not going to be 5 o'clock in the morning. What is the time right now? Bosley, get out of the way, bud. Okay. 5:19. Bosley. You don't need my love in your life, Bosley. 5:19, guess what, boys? Your boy's got a brand new GoPro Hero 7 on right, but that doesn't matter because we are about to leave for Copper Mountain, Colorado. I'm vlogging this whole entire trip, and I just can't wait, honestly. You guys are going to see a huge, long video, I'm sure. I don't even know what the time's going to be on it yet, but we're going snowboarding for 3 days. Jacob's never been snowboarding, and he is currently getting a shower upstairs. Bosley, stop meowing at me. So I'll see you guys whenever we are on the trip. I'm sure you'll see a lot of time lapse and stuff like that. Anyways, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe down below and drop a like on this video. Bye, Mom. Bye. Oh, that's not possible. Bye.
Yeah. Baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman, but he's gonna rob him. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 30. Yeah, she's fine. Wondering will she be mine?
Pal, mate, friend. Wendy's.
Now, turn right.
Turn right? No. I need to turn left. Well. Alright, it's working. That's good. We're finna get on the road again. Way back up here, up on the road again.
On the road again.
Stopped in Kansas for Wendy's.
Just can't wait to get on the road again.
I gotta get the sunglasses on. We switched drivers. The other one's sleeping in the back with Z's. Hey, Dad, how's it going back there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not sleeping though.
Oh no. I gotta clean these up in a second. Right. I think we're only like 320 miles away. It says our arrival is 6:29. Let's go ahead and cut that to 5:29 here in a second. Brother. And we already got the designated backseat driver coming in. Now I'm finna turn after this minivan doesn't get out my way. No, I'm not. Well, daggum. Come on, FedEx. Okay, I think we're gonna... Mercy! Alright, fellas, so if you would show them right here, yeah, 225 miles left, you know, until we are at our destination somewhere in Denver. I forget where we're going. I think we're going to Dick's first. And currently 2 of us are awake, and the 3rd member of the car is passed out in the back. Good thing he's getting rest because he drove for about 6 hours or so, I believe. And now I guess I'm just going to drive the rest of the way. There's only 3 hours left. This shouldn't be too hard. All right, brothers. We're coming up on the Colorado state line, brothers. And I believe we're only like 1 mile away, honestly. I think so. It was 2 miles back there, and, you know, after 2 is 1. So, and I think that's it right there. 1 mile away. And, yep, I knew it. Exit 437 is where the Arby's is. We drove all the way to Colorado just for the Arby's. Thank you guys for watching.
Leaving Kansas.
Welcome to colorful Colorado, because we're all colorful in Colorado.
Well, it was all bumpy, so.
Are you serious?
I mean, you went over a bump. What?
You're supposed to study the camera. That is your job. Truckers. All right, guys. So right now, as you can see, that's our first sign of mountain. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not. Can you see it on the camera?
Hard looking into the sun.
Anyways, there's a mountain over there. It's a real small one, but you can see it, which means we're progressing towards our goal of getting to the mountains. Now, if you look around, it's pretty flat right now, but we're only 84 miles away from Denver. So we should be there in no time, probably about another, it says we'll be there at 5:02, it's 3:30, about another hour and a half, and we will be Gucci down to our socks.
Gucci flip flops.
Ooh, all the way to sign this skitty. Ooh,
5,
Oh shoot, Dad, I think we're getting pulled over. We're getting pulled over, Dad.
Huh?
We're getting pulled over.
No, he's not. Oh, okay.
Oh my gosh, I knew it wouldn't work.
I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38.
Alright, what the heck? Why is this thing zoomed in so far? Hold up. Hold on. Alright guys, so we are just now reaching the outskirts of Denver, and we got a beautiful view right here, but look at all the daggum traffic. Yeah, traffic jam. We're on our way to Dick's for some stuff we need to pick up for the mountain. You guys will see that when we get here, but look at the daggum traffic. What do you think about this, Dad?
It's heavy.
The traffic is real heavy. How heavy would you say the traffic is?
It's real heavy.
Like how?
But the mountains are beautiful.
Oh, yeah?
Look at the mountains up there.
Yeah, I see them. Now, how heavy is the traffic?
200 pounds.
Probably 500 pounds.
500 pounds? Man, we got some pretty heavy traffic out here tonight.
Very low key on the profile. Catching feelings isn't all. Let me show you how it goes. Love's the word, spins the vibe.
Hey!
Dave.
Hey! Hello, I'm Cooper and welcome to my MTV crib. Alright, so now, as you see here, we got our TV analyst right here trying to figure out what to do with that box remote on the TV that does not work right now. Now, here's the luggage. This is Jacob's luggage right here with all of his stuff in it. And then there's the other luggage that had the Xbox in it. And then here's our luggage, which I believe just has all of the normal everyday clothes. Now, as you see, you'll come over here and there's a box sitting there and you're thinking, huh, why is there a box there? And then you remember, I went to Dick's earlier, right? So, boom, here we go. We got the brand new Oakley Mod 3 helmet right here. I know it's sexy. Thank you for commenting below how sexy it is. Now, we're going to move on over here to the secondary helmet for the young blood. Alright, and his first day learning right there. Secondary, old helmet, my old helmet right here. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to see this snowboard bag and you're going to open this sucker up. And you're going to figure out why it's not opening correctly. And now, as you see, right here. Are you looking? Come on, cameraman, figure yourself out. Alright, now, here's the normal jacket, alright? That's a nice looking jacket, okay? It's got like a hoodie and it's got like flannel for like everyday wear, looking like a park goon. And then you got these backup pants that are actually, I don't even think these are mine. Those are the TV analyst over there. And then over here you got the boots, nice K2 Raider boots right here. And then you got the nice jacket, and under the jacket you got a scarf. And don't forget, you always got to be a thug, so you got to bring the mask. Alright. And then you got the Oakley goggles, which you will see revealed tomorrow because they're so very special and I'm not just going to give it away. And then you got the mitts, which are so warm, alright? You got the backup pants that hopefully I don't have to wear and make myself look ugly because I got these beautiful pants right here. And then of course you'll see the snowboard tomorrow. You don't need to see that right now. It's too important. Now you're going to come over here to the MTV bed. Alright, this is the main bed with everything happening on it. TV analyst is trying to protect himself from the weather outside. Wow. And his own stupidity. And then over here, inside this GoPro backpack, I already put the GoPros in here, alright? And basically, I got the brand new GoPro Hero 7 Black, which we're going to be using tomorrow, and it's going to look absolutely beautiful. Now we got the Hero 4, Jacob's Hero 4 right here, silver. And then we got this 2014 GoPro Hero Original, which I used in the last time. Now, brand new GoPro Seeker backpack, absolutely wonderful, alright? You got everything you need in here. Every pouch that you could possibly need. It's got a laptop, little compartment, which I'm actually using for a hydration pack, because you know when we're up on the top of the mountain we're gonna get thirsty. All right, thirsty like I am for women. Anyways, everything's gonna be all good. We got the backpack, and here's all the other GoPro stuff, all these little necessities and all these things, just basic mounting properties. Here's my awesome cell phone right here, and here's the camera case for the camera that is being held right now. There's also these portable chargers we're going to take up on the mountain to charge the batteries for the GoPro Hero 4 and the GoPro Hero 7 batteries that we do have. And then we also have to have the Beats in order to jam out on the mountain. We've got the Beats case to keep them protected. And honestly, we just got this stuff right now. I'm not even going to lie, right? We were not ready for this. We got to wax the snowboard, and they're not going to have someone there till Thursday, right? I know, ridiculous. This is supposed to be a snow mountain, all right? Anyways, we got the iron here. Ridiculous. We got the wax here. Ridiculous. And we got this scraper here, which is actually kind of cool, honestly. It's just a clear little scraper, but God, look at it, overpriced. $7 for a plastic thing. I could use my fingernails. Anyways, I think that is all you guys need to see. We also have, I believe, Jacob's other bag over there with his snow stuff in it, and then we got an Xbox, and we're ready. Okay, I'm gonna pack all this stuff up. I feel like I'm missing something. Am I missing anything? Oh, exactly. I knew what I was missing. Didn't even have to think about it. We got a charger, obviously. There's Jacob's charger. You can have that back, pal. We got a stick. We got a chesty, which ironically enough, this backpack actually did come with a chesty that goes right here. I do not know where it is, but it doesn't matter because there's one right there and you know what it is. Anyways, we got another GoPro charger for no reason at all other than to look cool. And we got this brand new, oh my gosh, this thing is amazing. Alright, this little handle grip thing, look at this thing. Oh my gosh, you just unscrew these knobs, loosen it up, and boom, you got another stick. Absolutely beautiful. Get all the best angles in there. We'll be switching around camera shots all day. Press this in here. Also has a little tripod that unscrews and comes down. Probably won't be needing that at all. But what else do we got in here? Of course, another GoPro charger, because we always come prepared. Now I feel like I'm missing something down here. Another portable charger, I believe, and then the GoPro Hero 7 mount. And then in the side pocket, I don't think I have anything else. I think we're all good. That is my TV crib. What do you think about that, TV analyst?
We got it on.
Oh, we figured it out?
Figured it out.
Figured out TV.
They want me dead. They want me dead. Put that price on my head. He's got it.
No, no, no. They want me dead or alive. They want me dead or alive.
You good, bro? Oh my gosh, I hope I got that on video. Are you good?